How to sign into AliExpress. Welcome to this quick guide on how to sign into AliExpress. First, open the AliExpress app on your device, and you'll land on the home screen where all the products are listed. In the bottom right corner, tap on the account icon. This will open up the options related to your profile. Next, look for the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it to open your settings menu. Scroll through the options and, at the bottom, you'll find the sign in option. Tap on it to proceed. Once you tap on sign in, you'll have multiple options for logging in. You can use your email address or phone number, or log in directly through your Google or Apple account. Additionally, AliExpress allows you to sign in via Facebook or X. Once you've chosen your preferred login method, simply follow the prompts to complete the sign-in process. That's it. You're ready to start shopping. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.